Welcome to Mollik's EDUCARE Accounting Pro. What is in debit and credit? In double entry accounting, debits record incoming money, whereas credits record outgoing money. For every debit in one account, another account must have a corresponding credit of equal value. Elements of accounting. There are five elements of a financial statement: assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses. Each of these categories has its own unique set of information that is important to track for a business. What balance sheet means? A balance sheet is a financial statement that contains details of a company's assets or liabilities at a specific point in time. It is one of the three core financial statements, income statements and cash flow statement being the other two, used for evaluating the performance of a business. Thank you.